Over the years, tourism in Boracay, which has been known for its crystal clear waters and wide powdery beaches, prospered and grew exponentially, leading to an increased demand in infrastructure and socio-economic services. In the early 90s, the local government code devolved tourism governance from national government to local government units. The municipal government of Malay was tasked to provide facilities and attractions, regulate and supervise businesses, and provide security. In 2006, President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo issued Proclamation Number 1064, classifying Boracay Island into forest land for protection purposes and agricultural or alienable and disposable land pursuant to Presidential Decree Number 705 or the Revised Forestry Code of the Philippines.
Kailangan makiisa po tayo para pakita rin po natin sa ibang stakeholder na legal, may application po yan. Pero hindi po nabigay dahil hindi ho alam ng DNR kung anong permit na ibibigay sa akin eh. So para sinasabi nila na bakit si West Cove, 6 na giba na po ako. Kaya siguro ito, naniniwala naman ho ako sa kampanya ni Presidente na ngayon parehas ho. Yung nagtayo sa lupa ng gobyerno, sa wetlands, sa timberland, sa easement, ay madidiscover yan at dapat managot.
Okay naman po sa mga taga Boracay kasi okay naman yung ginagawa nila. At least lalapad po yung yung dagat. Pabor naman po sila doon, pero hindi naman siguro madali ang paggawa nun. Nag-uumpisa pa lang po.
Wala na, parang pangit na, sobrang sikip. Maganda po. Pero sa amin, taga Boracay, parang, siyempre, parang, tawag nito, parang excited na makita na maganda na yung Boracay, yung malawak na siya. Maganda kasi nga, dahil na iba-iba na yung Boracay ba? Kesa sa dati, na mga bata pa kami. Tsaka ngayon. President, maraming salamat din sa ngayon, yung plano mo dito sa Boracay, para rito sa Boracay, sa mga basura. Yun.
problema, siyempre ayusin talaga. Maganda pag inayos. Kasi para hindi magkaroon ng sa mga bisita.
Pero para sa akin, advantage siya para iwas baha. Saka, yun din para maging malinis na siya. Malinis yung Boracay para din sa atin lahat, sa amin, saka sa mga turista. Pero basta para sa akin, mas okay. Kahit pansamantalang maging close, okay din nga. At least pagbalik mo, okay na lahat, di ba? Kahit kami naka-permission din kasi traffic, late ka sa trabaho, di ba?
I will cross Boracay. Boracay is a cesspool, but you go into the water, it's smelling. So Boracay in a few months there is destroying the environment of the Republic of the Philippines and creating a disaster.
In response to the President's directive, Environment Secretary Roy A. Simatu, after meeting with stakeholders and other concerned agencies, launched Operation Save Boracay.
So this is a send-off ceremony. Kung sa military yan, talagang go to the battlefield.
Immediately dispatching mission teams composed of DNR personnel from different regions.
If I may say, these groupings you have in front of you, ladies and gentlemen, is the Department of Environment and Natural Resources. And we are going to the north, to the island of Boracay, to undertake that mission, Save Boracay.
Teams are conducting simultaneous island-wide operations, assessing violations against environmental laws such as the revised Forestry Code, the Environmental Impact Statement System, Clean Air Act, the Clean Water Act, and the Ecological Solid Waste Management Act. In the first days, the mission teams have served show cause orders to illegal forest land occupants and notices of violations to airing establishments. Of structures, disregarding the 25+5 easement and other related policies has started.
Pero ito, binigdinakay namin yan kasi subject for demolition kasi itong lugar up to yung 25.
Saan po kayo nagsukat? Ang NAMRIA nagsukat noon.
Nandiyan. Nakita namin yung mamahon niya. Nandiyan. So, pumasok na ho kayo rito.
Para na lang suportahan yung kampanya ni Presidente Duterte na linisin ang Boracay. Nag-self-demolish na kami. Talagang masakit talaga itong gagawin. Pero kinakailangan para lang ipakita yung suporta ko kay Presidente Duterte na tama yung ginagawa niya. Na kung hindi pababayaan natin to, talagang mamamayani rito yung mga kurap.
Secretary, together with the DPWH, are now undertaking survey and acquisition of road right-of-way for the immediate construction of alternative routes to decongest the only road artery going to Barangay Yapak.
Patutuloy po ba yung road widening?
So, that's what we are doing now.
Congratulations.
Salamat, salamat.
He has also stopped garbage from piling up at the transfer station in Manok Manok. Secretary Simatu has vowed to use the DNR's resources to maintain the island's paradise, renowned as one of the country's tourism crown jewels and the world's top island destination. The DNR is working continuously to complete its mission to save Boracay.
I assure you, ladies and gentlemen, that we shall not relent in our efforts until we have turned around the condition of Boracay. We will save Boracay.